Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Peace, and today we're going to be talking about importation. If you know you want to learn how to import, how importation goes, or you already know how importation goes, or you want to learn how to import to Nigeria without any middleman, without an agent, then this video is for you. You should keep on. Let's start with the meaning of importation. First of all, what does importation mean? The word importation simply means buying outside of your country for a cheaper price and then bringing it to your country to sell for profit, which in my case is in Nigeria. But we are specifically going to be talking about China importation, China to Nigeria. You can also apply it to China to Ghana, China to Kenya, any country that you are in is the meaning of importation. So how do I go about it? First of all, think of what you want to sell. Yes, research for what you want to sell. And when you want to go into something, make sure you research very well about that particular topic before you know if it's still something you're interested in or not. So before you think of importing anything, think clearly, research of what you want to sell. Now, after getting what you want to sell, the next question you would ask yourself is, so which market am I going to buy it from? Am I going to China to buy it? No, you do not need to go to China. All you need are your phone, an internet, and of course the right app, which in my case, I'm going to be introducing you to 1688, Taobao, Pindodo, and any other apps that people use. I see people using AliExpress, but I do not support using AliExpress because their costs are higher than the 6088 and Taobao. So when it comes to Taobao 6088, those are good for resellers, for vendors like us. So these are the ones I'm going to be using to teach you. Now, you now know where to buy your goods, which I just said the name of the apps. Now, how do you go about payment? So how do I pay them? How am I sure that this person I'm paying would really give me the goods after I pay for it? Now, this is the case. You have to search your legit suppliers because there are a lot of scammers in that group. But I'm going to make another video on how to know real suppliers and fake or scammers. But just make sure you watch that video. For this specifically, I'm just going to be telling you how importation goes. So how do you make payment? Before, even till now, you need WeChat to make payment. And your WeChat, you need a passport, Nigeria passport, or even Ghana passport, anyone, your country passport, which in my case is Nigeria. You need a Nigeria passport to verify your WeChat. And this was once a very big problem for us, most especially those people that do not have passport. And passport is very cost right now. I'm not going to lie, it's up to 100K or so. So you need a passport to verify. But right now, you can use your Naira card. Yes, you can use your Nigerian Naira card, or you can also use a dollar card, a visual dollar card, which I have a visual dollar card. I use it, but most of the time I use my Nigeria Naira card, but it's a little bit costlier when you use your Nigerian Naira card. So that's how you go with payments. What we've talked about so far, search for the right goods. Then we've talked about the apps that you can buy goods from. And then we've talked about how payment goes, right? Something else, next thing is shipping. So, oh, I've paid the supplier. Now, how do I get the goods? This is the thing. Inside those apps, that shopping app, they are going to tell you to input your address, your home address. It's just like buying something from Jumia, and then Jumia will tell you to put your address for them to come drop it off for you. So there they will tell you to put your address. Now, in this case, since you do not have a home over there or something like that, you would message the shipping company that you want to use. Message them, tell them, oh, please give me the address to your warehouse. And then you take that address and you save it in the app, in the 6088 app or Pidodo app, anyone you are using. Now, when you save it, When you are ready to ship your goods, they are going to tell you input address. Then you click on that address, that your warehouse address that you saved there, and they will send the goods to your shipping company. They will send the goods to your warehouse. Your warehouse will send it to you in Nigeria. They'll send you how much you need to pay for clearance. You pay and you'll get your goods. Very easy, right? Very easy. Search for a goods, the apps to use, how to make payments, and shipping company. Now, it's very easy. Also know that you need to be very attentive, very, very attentive to be able to um, get your product, because I know these steps are very easy right now, but if you are not careful, you are not going to get either good quality or you'll be scammed. Number one, I talked of that app. Now, when you're buying in the app, you need to be very careful about scam suppliers, people and real suppliers. Now, when you're also making payments, you also need to be careful, because some suppliers will tell you, oh, let me send you my personal account so you can make payment to it. Do not agree. Do not agree, because when something comes up and you need a refund, you are not going to be able to get. You can use all these steps to import, but after watching this video, still do not import. Go through more videos, research more. I'll go look for videos of how to avoid supplier scammers, which best shipping agents you should use, and all that. Which in my case, the shipping agent I'm using is not a big company. It's not a big company. They are just coming up, but very legit. Really, really legit. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you know you learned anything from this and you want to learn more, you want to be able to ship yourself and know what to avoid and what not to avoid, then drop a like, drop a comment, and let me make more videos so you let me teach you how to go about importation. So that is it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.